Hey gorgeous, my name is Carrie and today I'm going to walk you through how to achieve this beautiful, shiny, and detailed Masquerade Halloween makeup look using Brow Bar by Reema products. If you want to have the most gorgeous Halloween makeup, this is the tutorial for you. The main Brow Bar by Reema products we will be using are the Hollywood Icon Face Kit in Rodeo Vamp, as well as the Brow Makeover Kit, Sugar Daddy Lashes, and the Chrome Lipstick in Honey Buns. You will also want to have a black liquid eyeliner available, as well as some rhinestones and lash glue. Let's get Halloween ready together. Let's start out today's makeup with the usual foundation and concealer application. I'm going into the Rodeo Vamp palette with the translucent powder and the Brow Bar by Reema fluffy powder brush and setting my foundation. We're going to start out with some beautiful brows from the Brow Makeover Kit. I'm using the lightest shade in the center of the brow and fading it to the front, and then using the darker shade on the back end of the brow. We're going to clean up our brow with the concealer under the brow, and if you want to outline it around the edges, you can as well, just to give it a nice crisp, clean line. I'm going to use the brow mascara to set my brows in place and also give them a little extra definition. Time to start on the eyes. I like to use a primer before applying the eyeshadow. And we're going to mix the tan and black to start blending out our eyeshadow. I'm going to give the general shape of how I want the eyeshadow to lay out, and then I'm going to blend it outward. We're picking up the white shimmery eyeshadow and putting that on the inner half of the lid. You can blend that outward as well. Our next step is to darken our eyeshadow with the matte black color in the palette, and you just want to blend that out a little bit, but keep it focused more in the shape that you want. Don't overblend. If you do need to clean up, a little tip is to take the translucent powder to blend any of the edges further if it was getting a little messy. We're going to take a thinner brush and lightly go under our lower lashes. I'm taking a casual pencil and lining my upper and lower waterline. We need to finish up the face makeup with our contour. Then we have our blush next, and we're going to top it all off with the beautiful highlight. Taking a smaller brush, we're going to highlight the inner corner of the eye and under the brow. Next up, we're taking some black eyeshadow, and we are going to start tracing on our mask. You can really create any design you want. I started in the center of my face, and I'm just using a very small craft brush and mapping it out with our black eyeshadow. I like to bounce back and forth between each side of the face to keep it symmetrical. You can do hearts and swirls and lace and really whatever you want. I'm starting to blend a little bit where the circles of the eye will be. And then once you have the general idea mapped out, you can go in with a really fine eyeliner pen and add in all the detail. You can see I'm doing some diagonal lines to create that lace look, and just lots of other little fun swirls, dots, and lines. It might look intimidating when it's all put together, but really you can just have fun with it and pretend you're doodling on your face. I promise it'll turn out beautiful. Here is our mask so far. And next up, we need to bejewel the mask. We're going to take a little bit of eyelash glue and adhere a ton of rhinestones so that we can stand out in any room with our makeup. Need to top off this look with some lashes. I'm using the Sugar Daddy Brow Bar by Reema lashes, and they look gorgeous. We're taking the chrome lipstick, and this is the end of the makeup. hope you all love this look as much as I do, and make sure to stay in touch with Brow Bar by Reema on all social media, and I will see you next time.